As you can see here guys, the error when I turn on my Dell laptop, it is not booting up and it is scanning the hardware automatically. So if your Dell laptop is not booting up, I will show you in this video how to fix the Dell laptop is not booting, boot device not found, any kind of boot related error on the Dell laptop. You can see here your machine will restart and download recovery. Just hardware scan is complete with no issues. So I need to cancel this and I will press F12 key again. And first step you need to perform here the diagnostic. Just perform this step and this will scan your system if any hardware issue you have on your computer or laptop. And if you see any failure of hardware, that means that you have to replace any SSD, RAM or the motherboard on your computer or laptop. Now there is no hardware issue on my laptop. If you are seeing this all tests are passed on your computer or laptop, that means that you don't have any hardware issue on your computer. So what we can do is we can click on the advanced test. Now since we are on this screen, just click on BIOS setup or you can press F2 key on your keyboard. Now go to boot sequence here if laptop is not booting up, and you need to make sure here that your SSD is showing up here and that is on the top. This is my SSD and Windows boot manager. Both the options should be on the top. Now let's set this up. Now both the options are on the top. Then click on apply changes, save custom setting, then click on OK, and then you can also apply changes here. So we have set the priority of Windows boot manager and then this is the SSD. Then you need to exit it and this should able to fix your issue since we have changes the boot priority. So let's see now. Now seems like window is loading up. So my issue has been fixed. If your issue is still not resolved, what we can do is again access the boot BIOS setup with F12 key. Press like this once the setup is now boot priority we have already changed that. You need to go to integrated devices and make sure date and time should be correct here, otherwise you can change it accordingly, date and time. Sometime if older time and date can cause the many issues, so make sure date and time is also correct here. Then go to storage here and AHCI is selected here. Most of the system is configured with AHCI. Select AHCI if Radeon is selected on your computer like this. If it is already selected Radeon, you can switch it to AHCI. And if same issue you faced, then you can roll back your settings same to the previous one. Then click on apply changes and click on OK. Once you click on apply changes, then you need to click on exit here and see if this setting is able to fix the issue or not. If this setting is also unable to fix your issue, what you can do is we have the option to load default. So this will default all the manufacturer setting here and will configure your system according to the hardware you have. So this is also the best option to fix this issue. Just click on load defaults, then click on apply changes, and once you click on apply changes, just you need to click on exit and your issue will be fixed. So these are the solutions to fix the issue, guys. Laptop is not booting in Dell. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.